All right. Nope. Twitch doesn't want to start. Come on. Here we go. We're live on Twitch. Let's start Facebook. I'm not sure how many streams I can safely add to my OBS. It's 16 to be only. Why is my canvas? Oops. Why is it? Oh, okay. Never mind. Let's not play with it while streaming. That's what I think. Facebook though looks a little. Let me see how it looks on Facebook. You only. Huh. It compresses the video so it doesn't look good. Let's try it like this. Oh no. Let's see our end of the day real quick. Now we have some volume. It's gonna be good for short. Tell us this later. Boom. Look at the Dow Jones. It's really okay. Yeah, it's a huge, huge volume. It's really um it's a big, big volume. But we would need a close manipulation signal. Now changed direction. Now change direction. And it's not in a balance, so you do need a close manipulation signal. SPY closes in correction with a good distribution volume. Trade I didn't take. All of those I didn't take. You already know my problem. Didn't take this, didn't take this, didn't take this. Yeah. Russian market I'm not so interested in because I'm loaded at the Russian market right now. Need to break even. Need to break even. And look at that. It looked like that was an accident, but no. It goes lower. No, it wasn't the biggest one. Yeah. Continues to go lower. Look at Fjord. Just look at this guy. Look at this guy. Uh, artificial intelligence didn't go my way. So I'm waiting to break even. I put it here like this just because obviously I'll need some. My break even is going to be lower than my entry because it's a put. This thing looks like it wants to go lower. Intel. It's a break and the beginning of correction. This being the sign of strikes. This closes in a break. It looks like. And that's not a 1-bar roll. Samalot is right there. Counter trend. Market is closed. Unvolumed spring. And if it's unvolumed, I think it disqualifies it for. I don't know whether it's a spring or a unvolumed spring, same deal. This spring is volume, but not that biggest volume. Just focus on hourless. It's a break. So now it's daily review watch list. That closed below the support level. So what is it good for? To know, maybe here. Maybe this is breaking. Philip Morris. A little too high. It's a good volume. We have unvolumed T1, however. It's not unvolumed, but here. Yeah. Have this volume. This volume doesn't matter. It's September 19th. And even so, it's still smaller. So volume is good. Still continuation of the trend. Continuation of the trend. Continuation of the trend. Continuation of the trend. Continue. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So now I think it's a break. So next stop. Still here. Pfizer won't freaking stop. And it already reached its potential, so this thing just exploded. Semiconductor ETF is in correction now. It's in correction. Oh, and so it's for the daily watch. This thing is in correction and same. Bam, 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 bam. This thing is in correction. So it's Katie Woods. Is it her name, Katie Woods? I think it is. Another trade I didn't take. But now I know I wouldn't take it because I didn't know how to, I didn't have a consciousness to work with calls. So just, I would buy a call. Unvolumed spring, so I will not do anything here. It's a correction. Yeah, even though I'm in permanent, well, that's not true. After a good correction, I will not be waiting for correction, recession, depression. I'll be waiting for a growth. Yeah, this looks like it's over. This correction in 0.5. Need to change the direction. My nose is itchy. In Russia, we say you'll be drinking soon. And I'm hosting Slavic Film Festival and tomorrow. And there's gonna be some alcohol at after party. I'm not gonna drink it, so um, this is good for continuation of the trend now. Also, what I discovered for myself this week is after hours. and that I can moderately do some positions during after hours during evening session till 8 p.m. Eastern time. So that makes me more flexible. Okay. This is good in continuation of the trend. This makes it possible in continuation of the trend. What the heck? Some break and change direction, went down, down, down. So this is our 0.5. Volume distribution is long. So yeah, it's good for a continuation of the trend. Now, IBM is IBMing. It's good for short. On 5 minutes. It's also good for short, but not for options. Only buying stock. Options, I understand, die out. The trade, I mean, once the day is closed. But like major stocks, you can still buy some shares. This list is endless. This list is endless. Yeah, I see like strengths and weakness, and then strengths again. Not much volume, but it took us like 4 bars to get in there and like 2 bars to get down. So, what? What is it on daily? See some magic again. Where's this thing on daily? What the heck? Do you guys see what I see? 39.80. Where is this line on 39.80? This is wild. This is wild. What the heck? It wasn't even showing on a daily. You guys saw it, right? I'm not hallucinating. You could see it on hour, but we couldn't see it on daily. Anyhow, this is a transitioning Shramam. It's not the biggest volume, so doesn't look like it reverses. We should really see it. But you know, for here, it's the biggest volume. And it's a transitioning Shramam. We bypassed sinus shrinks. So it's 2-bar spring that needs a test. It's good for, that wouldn't have worked. However, that would like break us even here. Still not terrible. Sorry. This was like as close as it gets. And it's a 1-bar rule, but um yeah. Yeah. So